Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Hardiani. I'm from English Literature Department, Adab and Humanity Faculty of Islamic University of Sultan Taha Saifuddin Jambi. I will present my proposal thesis. My proposal is titled Analysis Contrastive of Feminism of novel Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte and novel The Awakening by Kate Chopin. Chapter 1 Introduction. The research entitled Analysis Contrastive of Feminism of novel Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte and novel The Awakening by Kate Chopin is aimed to find feminism used in both literary works. The method used was descriptive contrastive. The results show that there is the similarity between the novels in presenting liberal feminism by fighting patrilineal. The difference lies on the fact that in the novel struggle was presented frontally and aggressively. Formulation of problem. Based on the background in above problem discussed in this research follow. 1. How about feminism took by author in novels Jane Eyre and novels The Awakening? Second, how to feminism movement in novel Jane Eyre and novel The Awakening. Research objective. This study has two objectives as follow. 1. To learn about feminism thinking by the author of novel Jane Eyre and novel The Awakening. Second, to learn how to feminism movement in novel Jane Eyre and novel The Awakening. Research purpose. The benefits of this research as follow. 1. Academically science within Islamic University of Sultan Taha Saifuddin Jambi, specifically to editor reference in our study has students, where the author is very hope that these ideas and movement Western feminism. Second, practically with this thesis is expected that the writer can complete this thesis, majoring in English Literature Department of Adab and Humanity Faculty, Islamic University of Sultan Taha Saifuddin Jambi. Chapter 2 Theoretical Framework. I have three theories for my proposal. The first theory is theory of structuralism. The study of structuralism in literary work is structural economic related to each other. Structuralism studies are studies that only discuss autonomous literary work. Literary works must be interpreted with realize itself from aspect outside by analyzing each element inside its relation to other elements. Second, figure and characterization. Story figures present before the reader certain qualification specifically with regard to identity. The extent of the identity is what causes one character is different from other characters. And the last theory of feminism. The essence of feminism is a social transformation movement in the sense that it is not merely fight more women's problem. The approach of feminism in the study of literary is known as literary criticism feminism. Feminism according to Ratna. Novel analysis. Novel analysis is based on the theory put forward by Warren. The result of the data show that of the 9 types of feminism raised by experts, both in Jane Eyre's novel and the Awakening's novels. Method of describing feminism. The method of describing feminism used in this study is Mechner method. The result of data analysis show that there are differences in the methods Bronte and Chopin used in describing feminism thinking for our novel. Chapter 3 Method of Research. Design of research. The research method used in study is the contrastive. The research data come from 2 literary works of different titles by Charlotte Bronte and Kate Chopin. 2. Source data. Source data by novel Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte and novel The Awakening by Kate Chopin. Third, technique of data collection. This research was conducted to find the differences and similarity about feminism described by authors in works of different genres. Fourth, technique of data analysis. Research used a formal method to analyze elements contained in novel Jane Eyre and novel The Awakening. The last result, data. Data analysis is present using qualitative methods. The result, data analysis of meaning of literary work presents descriptively.